This is the 6th grade Algebraic Reasoning Part 1 test. Please make sure your name is on your paper as well as the title, which would be the 6th grade Algebraic Reasoning Part 1 assessment. Alright, multiple choice. You will need to identify the choice that best completes the statement or answers the question. Number 1. Which is the best description for the relationship on the table? We've got Carlos's age. We have Rose's age. A. The relationship is multiplicative. 5A. B. The relationship is additive. A plus 5. C. The relationship is additive. A plus 12. D. The relationship is multiplicative. 19 times A. Question 2. Classify 8x plus 3 equals 3. Is that A, an algebraic expression, B, a numerical expression, C, an algebraic equation, D, a numerical equation? Question 3. Graph the function described by the equation y equals x plus 2. Is that graph A, graph B, graph C, or graph D? Question 4. Which expression is not equivalent to this expression? 3 times 7 plus 2 times 7. A, 5 times 7. B, 7 parenthesis 3 plus 14 parenthesis. C, 3 parenthesis 3 plus 2 parenthesis 7. D, 7 times 3 plus 2 times 7. Question 5. Classify 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. Is that a numeric expression? A. Or B, numerical equation? C, algebraic expression? D, algebraic equation? Question 6. A store charges $1.50 for a 20-ounce bottle of sport drink. Which equation best represents the total cost y as a function of the number of bottles x? A. Y equals 20x. B. Y equals 20y. C. X equals 1.5y. D. Y equals 1.5x. Question 7. Selena's father drove 70 miles per hour for 7 hours and 65 miles per hour for 5 hours. How far did he drive in all? A. 800 miles. B. 780 miles. C. 840 miles. D. 815 miles. Question 8. Parenthesis 18 plus 13 parenthesis plus 7 equals 18 plus parenthesis 13 plus 7 parenthesis is an example of which property? A. Commutative. B. Associative. Question 9. At the beginning of the month, Lena had $84 in her checking account. During the month, she made a deposit of $21 and a withdrawal of $3. Which expression could you use to find the balance in her checking account at the end of the month? A. 84 plus 21 plus 3. B. 84 minus 21 plus 3. C. 84 plus 21 minus 3. D. 21 times 84 minus 3. Question 10. Which expression is equivalent to 3x minus 4 plus 2 parenthesis 2 plus 4x parenthesis? A. 11x. B. 11x minus 8. C. 9x. D. 9x minus 8. Question 11. Use the table to answer the question. Joanna made a table to figure out how much he earns at his job. Job earnings, days, hours worked, amount earned. What rule relates the hours worked to the amount earned? A. Add 6. B. Add 54. C. Multiply by 2. D. Multiply by 9. Question 12. Write the prime factorization of 54. A. 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. B. 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. C. 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5. D. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 9. Question 13. What property is used to say that the expression 5x plus 7 minus 2x is equivalent to the expression 5x minus 2x plus 7? A. Commutative property of addition. B. Commutative property of multiplication. C. Associative property of addition. D. Distributive property. Question 14. Arjun is buying food for his Super Bowl party. He wants to buy 9 pizzas that cost P dollars each and 27 chicken wings that cost W dollars each. Part A. Write 2 equivalent expressions to represent the food cost for Arjun's party. Part B. If each pizza costs $11 and the chicken wings are $1.05 a piece, what is the total cost? A. Part A. 9P plus 27W, or 9 parenthesis P plus 27W, close parenthesis. Part B. $354.15. Option B. Part A, 9P plus 27W, or 9 parentheses 3PW, close parenthesis. Part B, $306.45. Part C, option C. Part A, 9P plus 27W, or 9 parentheses P plus 3W, close parenthesis. Part B, $127.35. Or option D, Part A, 9P plus 27W, or 9 parentheses P plus W, close parenthesis, with Part B of $108.45. That question again for 14. Arjun is buying food for his Super Bowl party. He wants to buy 9 pizzas that cost P dollars each and 27 chicken wings that cost W dollars each. Question 15. A rectangle has a length of 8 inches. The table shows the area of the rectangle for different widths. Write an expression that can be used to find the area of the rectangle when its width is W inches. We have the length in inches, the width in inches, the area in inches squared. A. W plus 8. B. 8W. C. 40. D. 32 plus W. Question 16. Wilson bought gift cards for some lawyers and their assistants. Each lawyer got a gift card worth L dollars. Each assistant got a gift card worth A dollars. There are 14 lawyers. Each lawyer has 3 assistants. The expression for total cost of the gift cards is 14L plus 42A. Write an expression that is equivalent to the given expression. Then determine Wilson's total cost if the gift card for each lawyer was worth $50 and the gift card for each assistant was worth $30. A. 14 parentheses L plus 2A close parentheses with a total of $1,540. B. 14 parentheses L plus 3A close parentheses with the total being $1,960. C. 14 parentheses L plus 42A close parentheses with the total being $18,340. Or D. 42 parentheses L plus 3A close parentheses with the total being $5,880. Question 17. It takes 120 drops of water to fill a teaspoon. Write the prime factorization of 120 using exponents. A. 2 squared plus 3 plus 5. B. 2 plus 3 plus 5. C. 2 cubed plus 3 plus 5. D. 2 cubed plus 15. Question 18. When are the expressions 2x plus 1 and 3 parentheses x minus 1 close parentheses equivalent? Explain how you know. A. The expressions are always equivalent. Multiplying a number by 2 and then adding 1 always gives the same value as subtracting 1 from the number and then multiplying the result by 3. B. The expressions are equivalent when x equals 4. Substituting 4 for x results in a value of 9 for each of the expressions. However, substituting any other value for x gives different values for the 2 expressions. C. The expressions are equivalent when x equals 0 and when x equals 4. Substituting either of these values for x results in equal values for each of the expressions. However, substituting any other value for x gives different values for the 2 expressions. D. The expressions are never equivalent. Substituting 1, 2, and 3 for x gives different values of the 2 expressions. Always gives different values for the 2 expressions. Question 19. Evaluate the expression 63 divided by parentheses 1 plus 8 close parentheses times 2 cubed minus 5. A. 7. B. 37. C. 51. D. 21. Question 20. Match the equivalent expressions. So here you have options A, B, and C, and you match each of those with its equivalent expression 1, 2, or 3. So option A goes with 1, B goes with 2, C goes with 3. Option B, A goes with 2, B goes with 1, C goes with 3. Option C, A goes with 3, B goes with 2, C goes with 1. Option D, A goes with 1, B goes with 3, C goes with 2. Question 21. Write 4 equivalent expressions for 6x plus 8x. Option A, are these 4 equivalent to the original expression? Option B, are these 4 equivalent to the original expression? Option C, are these 4 equivalent to the original expression? Or option D, are these four all equivalent to the original expression? Question 22. 7 parenthesis 10 plus 7 close parenthesis equals 7 parenthesis 10 close parenthesis plus 7 parenthesis 7 close parenthesis is an example of which property? A. Commutative, B. Distributive, C. Associative, D. Reflexive. Now it's time for the short answer part of the assessment. You'll need to show your work on your paper to receive full credit. Short answer number 1. Raquel types college reports for $4 plus $3 per page. How much does Raquel earn typing a 28-page report? Write a numerical expression and then evaluate. Question 2. Simplify the expression. Show your work. For 41 plus 4 cubed times 4 minus parenthesis 6 times 2 close parenthesis. Question 3. Your math teacher, that's me, states the product of 24 and 12 is 288. Use math symbols to represent this fact. Describe the result as a numerical or algebraic expression or equation. So here you have to decide, is this a numerical or algebraic expression or equation? Question 4. Your math teacher states the sum of x and 12 is 36. Use math symbols to represent this fact. Describe the result as a numerical or algebraic expression or equation. Alright, that is the end of the 6th grade algebraic reasoning assessment. If you need to record or rewind and revisit any of these questions, please feel free to do that. Otherwise, make sure all your answers are bubbled in on your answer document and all of your work is shown on your paper.